What's up, guys? So I just arrived to the Miaoli stadium and I can hear the quads screaming, so let's go check it out and hopefully meet some of the racers. Alright, now they are finishing up the last practice runs and now it's time for the real match. Okay guys, I'm gonna introduce you to some friends. Here they are. Hey, we have with us the Taiwanese race team. We have Steph and we have Alex. So I'm gonna show you their FPV feed later on. Okay guys, this was a very fun day. I enjoyed the race, especially this is the first time I actually watched a drone racing league, and it was really interesting to meet the teams and the guys racing, and especially the wild boar team. And yeah, it's time to call it a day and to head out home. See you next time.